Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Now today let us have a look at this simple geometry problem. So you've been told to determine the red area. So if we transfer this problem to the whiteboard, how do we determine the red area? Now you can see the red area is constituting a semicircle and a quadrant. So determining the red area is quite simple. So we'll just have to join the centers of the two half and the quarter circle. So if you do so, you can see if you let the radius, remember, if you let the radius of the semicircle to be r, then this will also be r. So it means radius of the quadrant is r plus r, meaning the whole of that length is 2r. So the radius of the quadrant is 2r. So you know the radius of a circle or a semicircle or a quadrant or whatever it is, which is circular in nature, is from the center to the circumference. So it means any line from the center to the circumference is the radius. So if from the center, if you let this center O to this point is 2r, then it means from O to the circumference here is also 2r. Then again, if from the center of this semicircle to that point is the radius r, then from this point, the center to the circumference of the semicircle is also the radius r. So what do we have here? We have this length is r plus 2r is giving a total of 3r. Now if you look at that, we can now use Pythagoras theorem because we have a right angle triangle. So if we let this point A and B, you can see triangle ABO. Triangle ABO is a right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem by letting, if we let these to be the two shorter sides to be A and B, then the longer side is the hypotenuse C. So according to Pythagoras theorem, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So when we do the substitution, your C is 3R. So we are going to have 3R squared is equals to your A is R, that is equals to R squared plus your B is 4. So that is going to be 4 squared. 3 squared is 9, r squared is just r squared is equals to r squared plus 4 squared is 16. So when you take r the other side of the equation, we subtract r squared on either side, that will cancel this. We remain with 9r squared minus r squared is going to be 8r squared to be equals to 16. So when we divide both sides by 8, we get r squared is equals to 16 divided by 8 is 2. So what is r? You look for the square root on either side. So you found r is square root of 2. So it implies that the radius of the semicircle is root 2. So it means the radius of the quadrant is 2 root 2. So having found the radius of both the semicircle and the quarter circle, how do we now determine the red area? So what is the red semicircular area? The red semicircular area is going to be pi r squared over 2. Remember the radius of the semicircle is root 2. Then plus the area of the quarter circle is going to be pi r squared when it is a quarter circle divided by 4. Remember the radius of the quarter circle is 2 root 2 and the radius of the semicircle is just root 2. So if you work out that, you get root 2 squared is 2. So you'll have pi 2 over 2, then plus root 2 squared is 2, then 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that is pi 8 over 4. So if you simplify that, you get 2 goes with the 2, you remain with the pi, then plus 4 goes here once, 4 goes there 2, pi times 2, you get 2 pi. So you get the total of 3 pi. So it means the red area is 3 pi. That is the simplest means of determining the red area of this given geometrical problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation. Don't forget to subscribe.